everyone, welcome back. I hope you all had a fantastic September weekend. It's Miss Sheila here with a very important update. This week has a very special focus. Do you know why that is? That's right, it's Maths Week Scotland. The theme for Maths Week Scotland is Our World. You are going to explore maths in many different ways this week because your teachers have planned lots of exciting activities for you to take part in. In Cadder, we are going to be running some of our own challenges. And the first challenge we're going to run is a Sum Dog challenge. There's going to be lots of exciting prizes being given out on Friday. All you have to do is play Sum Dog either in school or at home to be in with a chance of winning. The competition only runs from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. The winning class who has shown the biggest effort will be awarded an extra break, and there will also be prizes for individual enthusiastic mathematicians. So let's see how well you get on this week. Remember, the competition will end on Thursday and winners will be announced this Friday. All classes will be taking part in daily challenges. Teachers will be letting me know who has been trying really hard in class with these challenges to be in with a chance of winning a certificate for excellent effort. Now, before you all get started, there are a few familiar faces who have left a message to tell you how they use maths in their everyday jobs.
Hi boys and girls, I'm Mrs Burns from the school office, and I use maths in my office for various things, and since it's Maths Week, I'm going to tell you all about it. What we do with any money that comes into school is we have to count it, we have to log it, and we have to bank it in the bank. But the main thing we have to do is, if you pay for a trip, we have to balance our form that says Mrs Burns has paid £4 with the £4 cash, and we have to then bank it all, and the auditors come in every year and check that everybody that's paid money has all been banked in the bank. We also do budgeting, which is the Glasgow City Council give all schools a budget to buy jotters, pencils, pens, rubbers, all these things. So they give us a budget every April, and that has to last us the whole year right through to the end of March.
When we go in the cash and carry in the morning, you've got to work out the prices in your head, or I mostly use my head and I just count the VAT and everything on the things, and when I come to the shop, I just, like, the shop's busy, then we just count in our head.
Well, we use maths in our job because we have to find out how many children are in the school daily, so we know how much food to put on for them. We also use maths when we count up the tills at the end of the day to see how much money has been brought in.
Welcome to Maths Week. It's going to be a very exciting week at Cadder Primary School. But remember, boys and girls, it's not just about what's happening at Cadder, it's what's happening in all of Scotland. Well, when I was starting to think about what was happening in Maths Week, I thought, well, what problem solving do I get involved in? And sometimes it's to do with recipes.
So I've decided today that for my problem solving, I'm going to try and make a recipe. And I'm reading the recipe and it tells me what ingredients I need, but it also tells me which measurements I'm going to need. I'm going to need 100 millilitres of milk. Which of these items would be best for me to use for 100 millilitres of milk?
So boys and girls, when I started thinking about problem solving, I also thought about a poem that I know. And let's see if this helps you with your problem solving too. To solve a story problem, I read it a time or two. I think about the action and I think about what to do. I analyse the problem. I know that's very wise. I act it out if needed. I try to visualise. Sometimes I draw a picture to show it part by part, but understanding the problem is where I need to start. So I started off earlier on talking about my problem, but did you help me find a solution?
So did you give some thought to what I would need for my 100 millilitres of milk? I've got my recipe, I'm ready to do my measurement, and yes, you're right. I'm going to use the measuring jug to measure in millilitres for the milk.
So boys and girls, thank you so much for helping me with my measurement today that I needed to make my recipe. You helped me solve my problem and we did that together. Well, boys and girls, I hope you have a fantastic Maths Week Scotland, and I'm looking forward to finding out about what you're going to be doing and what you're going to be doing to extend your learning this week. Good luck, enjoy yourself.
Now that you've heard from a few friendly faces, I'm going to leave you with a little challenge. How many jobs can you think of that use maths? You can let your teacher know at the end of this video. Have a fantastic week, boys and girls. I am so looking forward to hearing from your teachers how you all get on. Good luck in all of our competitions, and I'll speak to you soon.